What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the homestead. It's Fired Up Friday and I'm fired up about it. Come on. Excited today. Hunting season started a couple weeks ago. It's bow season right now, and I figured what's the best way to celebrate the fact that hunting season's back than to do a little stuffed backstrap. Today we're going to do a stuffed backstrap. We're going to stuff it with some cream cheese, cheddar cheese, jalapenos, a little spinach and onions. And I'm going to show you how to fillet it up, and that way you can get it nice and flat. Put all your stuff on the inside and be able to roll it up, and it'll look like a pinwheel when we're done with it. So let's go ahead and get started and start filleting the backstrap. Alright, right here we got a beautiful piece of backstrap from last year. And I can't wait to get another one this year. Come on. But what you got to do is you need to take a sharp knife. I don't know how sharp this one is, but we're going to try it out. You want to get as close to the table as you can get and just start cutting through it. If you poke a hole in it, it ain't that big of a deal. Just a little cheese to come through. There you go. Start peeling it back. There you go. Just take it nice and slow. Be careful. And you want to keep on filleting it back almost until you go all the way to the other end. Once you get there, just keep rolling it back, peeling it back. There you go. Oh yeah. It's been a while since I've done one of these. Matter of fact, last year. But I tell you what, it's one of my favorite meals. You know, a lot of people like to fry backstrap, and I'm one of them. I really enjoy fried backstrap. But if you want a different alternative to doing it, this is a good one. And then once you roll it back, as you can see there, it's nice and flat. I could probably take that just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Be careful. There you go. And then same thing. Go as close to the bottom as you can and start another layer. This isn't really hard to do. It just takes a little bit of patience, and you just got to be careful. See, I cut through just a little bit. That's no big deal. There we go. Getting close. Oh yeah. This one right here started out a little thin than what I normally like, but there we go. Chop off the ends, make it look good. And now she's ready. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I cut right on through it. Well, slap me down and call me grip, but we'll make it work. Come on, we're gonna make it work. Alright, now that we got this done, let's go ahead and start making our stuffing. There you go, we got our onions, our mushrooms, and our jalapenos. And that's really about all we need to chop up. I don't know. I also like to put a little fresh spinach in this. I don't like to put it in whole leaves. I like to cut it up a little bit smaller too. Just makes for a better bite when it's done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this cheddar cheese and cream cheese together with the onions and the jalapenos in it, and then after I spread it onto the backstrap, I'll sprinkle this fresh spinach and mushrooms on top of it, and then we'll roll it. Alright, now that we got that, let's go ahead and switch cutting boards. And let's get our backstrap. Oh yeah, see, I split that right in half, but that's okay, we'll make that work. We'll make that work. I actually got a little ahead of myself. We need to go ahead and mix the cream cheese. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll go ahead and get the cheddar out. I'm going to use that 3 cheddar blend. Doesn't have to be nothing special. Now that we got that mixed up, now we can get back to the backstrap. Come on. Alright, as you can see, I did put a hole in it. I told y'all from the beginning, I'm gonna mess up, as you can see. But that's okay, it ain't that big of a deal because we're gonna wrap it with bacon, and that bacon will help keep all the cream cheese in there, so it's not that big of a deal. Main thing is you just kind of want to get it flat so it lays flat so you can put your cream cheese mixture in there and everything will be alright. Now I like to use as thin as bacon as possible, especially on something like this that's not going to cook for that long. We're going to throw it on the big green egg. We're going to smoke it. I'm going to use a little bit of mesquite wood to get a good flavor to it. I like to use mesquite whenever I'm doing my backstrap. It gives it a real distinct flavor. I really enjoy it. But we're going to put this on there for at about 350 for about 45 minutes. I will smoke it for about 15 minutes at about 200 first to get a little good smoke flavor on it, and then I'll kick it on up to about 350 and then cook it on the cast iron grates. I like to cook it on the cast iron grates. It helps make that bacon a little bit more crispy. Alright, so let's get that grill started up and get it on the grill. As I was sitting there checking the grill tonight, I seen these guys, or I should say young ladies, walking down my driveway. I love living in the country. It don't get much better than that. There they go. Alright, let's try one of these jalapeno poppers and see if they poppin'. Alright, let's give it a try. That is amazing. Man, that is good. It's got some bite to it. Show you. Looks like on the inside. See if I can get it to focus on there. That is good. That bacon's cooked perfect. Perfect. Nothing wrong with that. That right there make you want to go slap your mama for never making it now. Now don't go slap your mama now. Just a joke. Just a joke. Now that is good. See if I can hold it up here. You see the inside of it. Got that cream cheese and that spinach in there. Cooked perfectly. That is fine. Look at that. Alright, now if you don't like cream cheese, you don't have to use cream cheese. You can use just cheddar cheese or goat cheese or feta cheese or any kind of cheese that you want. You don't even have to put cheese in it. You could just put vegetables in there. Alright guys, let me take a bite of this and see what it tastes like. Alright, let's try it out, see what we got. That is some good flavor. Yeah. It don't get much better than that. Come on. Well, I think that's going to be about it for this evening, guys. The sun's starting to set. I think I'm going to have me one of them there adult beverages. Come on and enjoy some of this stuffed backstrap. It sure is good. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And make sure you share it. It sure does do a lot for this channel. And I can't wait to see y'all again. Come visit me on Talk About It Tuesday. And come on, let's go homestead.